to former Oklahoma Republican Senator Tom Coburn on whether he agrees with that interpretation. I mean, you never like to see trade tiffs of any sort, Senator, but it seems, and the market is often a dicey read of things, but folks are putting money on the line that this is going to end all right. Do you think it will end all right?
I do. I do. I think you need to remember what the underlying premise was, is we gave away our manufacturing base to China through our free trade policies. And China essentially absconded with intellectual property and actually coerced people into giving parts of their business and intellectual property to them just to be able to trade there. I had an interesting exchange with the Secretary of Commerce in China when I asked him if he was going to comply with WTO rules, and he said, absolutely, we're not. So, I mean, they're not the best when it comes to the integrity of trade. So, look, I think we're seeing this handled just right. Eventually, China has to come through in terms of equalizing, either through currency or through trade, this tremendous advantage that they've created based on cheating. And so, you know, there's a lot of people that don't have jobs today because of China's behavior. So I'm a free trader, but I think you gotta set some rules for China and make sure they understand. I think it's going to end up well.
Senator, our Commerce Secretary Wilbur Ross was talking about China in a sort of a no-win situation here, that kind of quoting here, so if you'll indulge me, that China is out of bullets to retaliate. Do you agree it is out of bullets? There's nothing it can do but ultimately settle with us in some way, shape, or form?
I'm not sure I know the answer to that, Neil. What I do know is our purchases from them are tremendously larger than their purchases from us. And so, therefore, the pain of any trade escalation hurts them far worse than it hurts the American consumer. And matter of fact, with rising wages and rising standard of living in our country, it'll have minimal effect on Americans. But the other side of that is Americans will have jobs that they didn't used to have that actually were stolen through fraud and coercion by China. So I think what he's doing is fine. My hope would be it wouldn't escalate, but I think we have the upper hand on this, and what's fair is fair and what's right's right, and we shouldn't buckle just because the Chinese say we should. You know, I don't find them to be honorable in terms of their trade policies, especially when their Secretary of Commerce told me in a meeting in China that they would not honor their WTO obligations. So, you know, when they're telling you they're going to cheat, you know, what do you expect?
Yeah. At least in the past, they didn't say that. That seemed a little upfront.
Well, they said that 5 years ago.
Well, all right. Let me real quickly get your thoughts on the Brett Kavanaugh situation. It seems to be disintegrating fast. Some Republicans are worried that this might be torpedoed. What do you make of it?
I think it's a bork. I think they're trying to bork him. You know, this guy, you know, he had investigations. He had all these people supporting him. Something that happened in high school that he says he wasn't even there. You know, again, and why didn't they fire this bullet earlier? Because it's tenuous. That's why, at the best. And so I just think it's a planned strategy to undermine his credibility when, in fact, he says it didn't happen. She says it does. You know, maybe it's a case of mistaken identity. But the fact is, what is this, 40 years ago or 35 years ago that somebody's going to remember something like this? And why is it just now coming forward? So I think it's all politics to me. And I don't believe there's truth to it, because I think seems to be a very honorable man that's been through confirmation, and his history would say that this is not in his character.
Senator, thank you very, very much for taking the time.
You bet. Good talking to you.
We had a lot to discuss there. I do appreciate it.